Tired of appointment scheduling feeling like a never-ending game of phone tag? Let's ditch the chaos and seamlessly integrate Calendly into your systeme.io account for effortless booking. First, log into your systeme.io dashboard. Next, navigate to the funnels section. This is where we'll embed your Calendly link. Select the funnel where you want to add the Calendly integration. Click on the page you want to edit within your funnel. Once the page editor loads, you'll see a drag-and-drop interface. Look for the raw HTML element. It is located in the elements list on the left side of the screen. Drag and drop this element onto the desired location on your page where you want your Calendly form to appear. Now, head over to your Calendly account. Find the event type you want to embed. Click on the Share button associated with that event. Choose the Embed option. This option lets you copy the embed code for the specific event type. Copy the provided code. Return to your systeme.io editor and click on the raw HTML element you placed earlier. A settings panel will appear. Paste the Calendly embed code into the HTML code box. Click Save Changes in the HTML block, and after that, save your systeme.io page by clicking the Save Changes button at the top right of the screen. Preview your page to see your beautifully embedded Calendly form. People can now book appointments directly from your systeme.io page.